guys, so I am back today with an unboxing for this month's scrapbookingstore.com kit. So this month the kit is based around the Simple Stories I Am collection, and this is the newest one, so this is the 2021. And the main kit, I'll say it again, these kits are amazing if you have a very small scrapbooking budget. You can get a lot of kit for not a lot of money. I think that's the most amazing thing, and it's part of the reason I really enjoy designing for this company, because you know what? We all have budgets. I get it. This is a great way to get some new scrapbooking goodies into your hands every month, get lots of inspiration, and have, it's really good if you have like a strict budget, right? Okay, so the main kit is Simple Stories I Am collection. And this is just what you get, main kit. So we have the 4x4 elements sheet, and the back is this really pretty pink tone-on-tone paper. We have this fun floral that you can fussy cut out, really, really great floral. And the back is another really pretty tone-on-tone kind of pink polka dot. Now for me, I really think that when you kind of add this mustardy yellow and this sagey green into a collection, it will totally work for fall. So this one has the stripes on one side and this mustardy yellow on the back. This one is called Blooming. It has this beautiful flowers on the front that you can use to fussy cut. I am a big fan of fussy cutting, in case you didn't know. And the back is this super fun background. This is a really, really nice background though, so I believe this will become a background for one of my projects. This is the 4x6 element sheet. So you turn it like this. This would be nice to add some journaling to. I really like this. I like it because I could cut it to make it smaller, but still have the element there on it. The back is this gorgeous kind of cream on teal pattern that I really like. This is the 3x4 element sheet. Again, really like elements like this that I can journal on, really like elements like this that I can journal on, and then some of these things could be fussy cut if you wanted them to be smaller. The back of this is a nice multicolored design, and it has all the colors that appear in the collection, so that's a really nice usable design. This is the 2x2 element paper. These are super fun, I have to say. I don't know that I would have ever been a huge fan of these, except that I started getting them as part of Chamel's Best of Both World kits, and I'm like, oh, these are so cute. I can totally use these. I can fuzzy cut them, I can cut them apart. They're awesome. So yeah, this I'm really, really excited to use. And then again, the back, super usable. You could use it for just about anything. This is called Fierce. So this has this animal print, which you guys know, unless I'm doing zoo photos, I'm kind of like on the animal print. But the back is this gorgeous kind of butterfly pattern in this like mauvey purpley color that's really pretty. So that's awesome. This one is called Dreaming. It's this beautiful multicolored floral paper on one side, and then the back side looks almost like mosaic tile, which is really cool. This one's called Amazing, so it has this beautiful kind of tulip pattern on the mustardy yellow background. And then the back is this kind of cream color with the black wording on it, which I think is so fun and pretty and cute. This one is called Beautiful. Now, I have to tell you guys something. So one of the design team members on my team, on this team with me, is Beth Solar, who owns Rock Your Notebook. She's a really good friend of mine. She's on the design team now. She made the most amazing layout with this as her background. You have to go check it out. So if you aren't subscribed to her channel, or if you don't follow her many places, go find her, because this layout that she made for the scrapbooking store is amazing. It's so pretty, and she used this as her background, which is just awesome. And this other side is just this lovely kind of tone on tone pretty floral paper. This one is called Limitless. One side has the multicolored butterflies, the other side has this beautiful kind of plaid color. And then you have this fun sticker sheet, which has lots of girly pictures, fun, pretty pictures. You know we're scrapbooking my nieces with these pages, right? You know we're scrapbooking at least one, maybe even 4 of scrapbooks pages with my nieces. Okay, that is the main kit. So this is the main kit. If you buy just the kit, this is what you're gonna get, which is still a lot of product, especially when you consider all those cut aparts. And you could really stretch this kit to go through a lot of projects. Or you can get the upgrade. So the upgrade comes 2 ways this month. You can have washi tape or enamel dots, I think is the other one. I got the washi tape. So all the upgrade kits come with this Journey Thicker, which is from Paige Evans. I think this is Horizon, but the colors are so nice together. Like I really enjoy that. These are Truly Grateful buttons. So we've kind of mixed some of these purpley tones and some of these light pink tones from the collection, and we have the thickers, and then we have the Truly Grateful buttons, which are really fun. I got washi tape. Some people got, I really think some people got enamel dots. I'm pretty sure that that was the other one. These are Studio Calico. They're 7 paper washi stickers. They're all the same, which I think is awesome because we're gonna have a good play with these washi strips, I think. I think we'll be doing some fun stuff with these. So that is the upgrades that you can get and the main kit. And if you would like to play along with me with this kit, if you want to grab one of your own, there will be an affiliate link down below. Affiliate links just mean that if you buy using that link, it helps to support my channel and it helps to support what I do. So if you want to grab one of these kits, you are more than welcome to. All right, guys, I'll see you all again very soon.